Can you tell me when AND gate will work? AND gate will work when
both the inputs are high.
when both the inputs are high, then only it will work. And OR gate,
Either both or one input is high.
yes, either both or one input is high, then it will work. Exclusive OR will work when? Exclusive OR,
Only when one input is high.
that means both low, both high, it will not work. One input
Yeah.
should be high. Did you get the notes just now I sent? Semiconductor.
No, sir.
एक जन को तो डिलीवर हुआ है। It's going, just wait, huh? 1 second. Now check, did you get it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Some number reverse I am going. Come to page number 31, 50th sum. All sums based on gates first I am doing. 50th.
Sir, it's not opening.
Not opening?
So not opening.
एक
Yes, sir.
फिर से भेजता हूँ, रुको। किसका भी नहीं ओपन हुआ?
No, sir.
No, sir.
फिर से एक बार भेजता हूँ, देख चेक करो फिर से। ऐसे होता है यार ये। One second, again I'm sending. Now, it's opening, just check.
Yes, sir.
And for evening batch students, your PDF is opening?
No, sir.
Okay. आपको फिर से एक बार सेंड करता हूँ। Opening, now just check, new one I have sent. Is it opening?
No, sir. It's loading. 1 minute. Sir.
Okay. So, दूसरा भेज
It's
देता हूँ।
opening.
Opening ना?
Yes.
Okay. Come to sum number 50. Page number This page number 31, 50th sum. Truth table is given. Then which gate it is? A, B, X is output. 0, 0, 1. इसका कॉम्प्लीमेंट देखता हूं क्या आएगा. 0, 0, 1 कॉम्प्लीमेंट X bar will be 0. 0, 1, 0. 1, 0, 0. 0, 1, 1 दिया. One, 0, 0, 0, and here it is 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. Both 0 it is giving output. नॉर्मल गेट में ऐसा नहीं होता है, तो इसको रिवर्स करके देखता हूँ. 0, 1, 1, 1. तो ये इसका ये हो गया ना रिवर्स 1. ये किसके लिए है? और के लिए है ना ये.
और
तो ये वाला नॉर के
नॉर
लिए
हो
होगा
जाएगा.
ना. तो अपना गेट कौन सा गेट है? नॉर गेट. अंडरस्टूड? हेलो.
Yes.
दो. डन.
Yes, sir.
49. For given combination of gate, this is one gate G1, A and B are input. C, this is G2, D. So this gate is AND gate, and this clearly you can see NAND gate. Okay. Hello. If A is given 0, B is given 0, C is given 0, first case, then we want output. What is 0, 0 across AND? Is it 0 only?
Sir, it's all right.
Pardon?
It's all right.
This one is OR. And then NAND. Okay, ठीक है. So 0, 0, 0. 0, 0 का NAND will be what? 1. Got it?
Yes, sir.
A, B का output or 0, which will be given to NAND. 0, 0 will give me output as 1. Followed?
Followed, sir. Followed, sir.
If A is given 1, B is given 1, C is given 0. So 1, 1 ka OR is 1. So 1 and 0 of NAND. What will be 1 and 0 of NAND? One and 0 of NAND. What it will be?
1.
1, because
1.
AND will be 0, 1. So answer will be B. Anybody who has not followed? Again, shall I explain or you have followed? Hello? Shall I explain again?
Followed, sir.
Okay. One sum will 1 or 2 can come in the exam. Minimum 1, maximum they can ask 2. नीट में एक बार 3 पूछ लिया था. This prelim cycle is going to get over when? College prelim?
Why 20?
20 of January, na?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
सबका 20 तक, फिर मुझे वैसा प्लान करना पड़ेगा बराबर. प्रीलिम ऑफ कॉलेज गेटिंग ओवर बाय 20th जनवरी, करेक्ट?
Yes.
ठीक है. प्रीलिम ऑफ कॉलेज completed by 20th of January. Are you done? 49th? 49th done?
Yes, sir.
48th one. The output of NAND gate is 0 when A, B, and output of NAND is complement when it is 0, they are telling. Logically, can you tell fast when it will be 0? NAND gate 0, 0, 0, 1. 1 0 0 1 0 1 0 1, but 1 1 0 will become 0. So when it will be 0, tell me.
Both are 1.
When both are 1, option C.
Sir, A dot B will be 1, no? For 1, 1.
A dot B will be 1. Thank you.
Done.
Done, no? 40, 47. Symbol for some logic gates are given below. The exclusive OR and NOR gate are which one? Exclusive OR is second, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
This is exclusive.
Third
OR.
one, not.
Pardon?
Third
And
one is not.
NOR is third one. Third one. So answer is 2 and 3, correct? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Option 2 and 3. 46. The frequency response curve of RC coupled amplifier is given. Bandwidth will be which one? See, don't take tension. What is bandwidth? Bandwidth is difference between two frequencies. So which is smallest frequency? You can see smallest one,
F1,
F1. Maximum.
F4,
So bandwidth is difference between
F4 minus F.
maximum and minimum. Bandwidth is difference of frequencies of maximum and minimum value. RC coupled क्या नहीं, but logically तो बोल सकते हैं ना, bandwidth मतलब range होता है. So can I say F4 minus F1? B. Hello? F4 is maximum, F1 is minimum, दोनों का difference
Yes,
is called bandwidth. अभी 42, 43, 44 सब सीक्वेंस में. 42 का डायग्राम बनाता हूँ पहले. 42. Shall I clear it?
Yes, sir.
42. In the adjacent circuit, the value of following elements are given: bias resistance R1, R2, RL, IB, beta given VCC 9, then find B output. Diagram बनाता हूँ. C, E, B, 9 volt is VCC, RL, R1, R2 Earth. Earth means it can be connected to this. That means we can show like this, Earth. Load resistance. Find what is output voltage. IB is given. So this is IC, na, current flowing usually we take. So can I say VCC is IC RL plus VCE, and that is nothing but our output, correct? That is output, now. Hello? Hello?
Yes.
RL 500. So VCC, IC means beta times IB. Yes, beta times IB. Correct, no? Beta times IB into RL plus V out. So this is 9. Beta kitna diya hai? 200. IB is given 55 micro, so 10 raised to minus 6. RL is 500 ohm. Output we want 9 equals to 55 into 2, it is 110. 1 2 3 4 zeros into 5 into 10 raised to minus 6 into 10 raised to 4 zeros. So this will become 55 into 415, 5.5 plus V naught. So can I say V naught equals to 9 minus 5.5? What is wrong with the answer? Hello? Hello?
Yes.
Yes.
तो ये VCE इधर resistance connector between CE is the voltage we wanted. C to E, C to B चला गया इधर. Voltage across collector and emitter we want. Collector and emitter 3.5 volt होना चाहिए ना as per this. Hello? हेलो हेलो हाँ, जस्ट इतना लिखो फिर मैं चेक करता हूँ उधर कुछ आउटपुट में रॉन्ग लिखा है क्या. You write this method you followed, na? Done?
Yes, sir.
VCE and VL across RL will be 3.5 we got. See, correct? No? Oh, sorry, 43. 42. If IB is 55 microampere, the base current, then input resistance will be how much? Input resistance. Input resistance will be how much? If IB is 55, voltage gain is beta times load resistance upon input resistance, correct? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Or input resistance across the base ICRL BC. Then if I know VBE, wait a second, okay? IBRL there, so पूछा है what will be the input resistance? If I get base voltage, I will get input resistance because output upon input voltage is missing. I can't use this logic user. So base voltage is nothing but V is IR. So base voltage upon IB will be input resistance. I hope this much is clear, na? बराबर ना?
Yes, sir.
अभी ये ICRL का voltage will be same as voltage across this VCC, VBC. VBE is forward biased or reverse biased? VBE
Forward.
forward. Forward bias, what voltage we require? 0.3 or 0.7, no, for silicon.
Yes.
So VB voltage between base emitter is connected to 0. So it will be VB equal to VBE. So this IB is 55 into 10 raised to minus 6. And voltage approximately you can take 0.7 for silicon. Nothing is given which type of it is. R1, R2. V, C, D. So B to C is ICRL. B to E I have to calculate, which is total. ICRL is between B connected to C. ICRL circuit, if I look carefully, ICRL VCC 9 में से VB मिलेगा VB. Input resistance चाहिए ना? VCC equals to V ICRL plus VBC plus VBE. VBE is that voltage. VBC reverse bias, but that voltage is same as voltage across R1 because they are in parallel. So IRL voltage is same as IR1. No. IB is given input resistance you want. Voltage we got PB 3.5. Okay. DC 3.5. Base current is given 55 and input resistance we want. So I should get voltage between B and E. Voltage between V and B is total voltage across this DC resistance IRL. IRL we got as IC is not given. No? R1 plus R2. This voltage plus this voltage is total 9. CE is this much 3.5. BE we have to calculate. C to E. VC is VBC plus VBE. VCC across CE is voltage between VC plus voltage between BE. BE voltage is nothing but I2 R2 which is grounded. So current IE I is IB plus IEC. It's come to 44. एक wrong होगा सब wrong होगा. 44. Find VCE and VL. VCE how much we got? 3.5 volt. VL is IC into RL, correct?
Yes.
IC is beta IB into RL. Beta is 200 into IB 55 micro 10 raised to minus 6 and load resistance is 500.
500.
500. So V across 55 मतलब वही आएगा 9 वोल्ट ना हम लोग को जो मिला 5.5 में 110 into 10 raised to 2 into 5 into 10 raised to 2 into 10 raised to minus 6. So 550 into 10 raised to minus 2, 5.5 volt. That is option A. 44 option A. That earlier two sums I will check if there is any mistake. 44 option A.
That's it.
In the sequence 42, output power PL is how much? Output power we want. Output power is output voltage into output current. Output power. Output power is voltage VCE into current IC, that is output current, output voltage. VCE we got how much? 5.5?
3.5.
3.5 volt. IC is beta times IB. Correct, huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So 3.5 into beta.
200.
What's that? Output power PL बोला है. So output power is across load resistance they want. Across load resistance PL लिख दिया ना, across load. That is voltage across load is IC RL into IC. IC RL. This was 5.5, correct? Into beta times IB. So 5.5 into beta is 200, IB is 55 micro, so 10 raised to minus 6. So this is 110. 25, 55 into 210, 2 zeros after 1 digit decimal into 55 into 10 raised to minus 6. So it will be 1.1 into 10 raised to 3 into 55 into 10 raised to minus 6. 11 into 5, 55, 11 into 5, 55 and 560 after 1 digit decimal into 10 raised to minus 3 watt. So approximately 60 milliwatt. Option B. 60 milliwatt. किधर है? हाँ तो बताएगा कौन? 3 बजे गया है, लेकिन आएगा बोला था क्या कभी? कौन सा दिन बताया था? मैंने तो नहीं सुना था कभी 29 तारीख. बाकी चीज व्हाट्सअप करते हैं, इस पे ये व्हाट्सअप करने नहीं जमता है क्या कि मैं इतने तारीख को नहीं रहूंगा करके? मैं तो कभी देखा नहीं व्हाट्सअप. किया होगा तो आपके पास होगा ना, जरा फॉरवर्ड करो. Completed?
Yes, sir.
(41). For transistor circuit shown, beta is 100. Voltage drop between emitter and base, that means VBE, is 0.7 volt. Then find what is VCE. What is VCE? Can you see that VCC is again same? It will be ICRL plus VCE, correct? No? So 18
Yes, sir.
equal to IC, which I don't know, into 100 plus VCE, we have to calculate. So if I get IC, I will be able to calculate this VCE. To
Yes.
get IC, beta is given. I should find IB. So IB is nothing but base voltage I V upon R connected in that circuit. (8.65) VB voltage given is 0.7. We want what is base current. Once I get base current, I will get IC. Once I get IC, I can get VCE. Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
ये बेस दिखा, ये एमीटर दिखा, ये रेजिस्टेंस दिखा आपको 5.6 किलो ओम दिखा क्या बराबर ये भी एक रेजिस्टेंस ही है ना, बेस एमीटर, और इसका
Yes.
अक्रॉस में वोल्टेज 5 वोल्ट है, बराबर आया ध्यान में सर्किट?
Yes.
ये कितना बोला है? 0.7 वोल्ट बोला है, बराबर ना?
Yes, sir.
So this will be how much? 4.3 volt, not followed. Followed this much?
Followed, sir.
So from this, can you get current IB? So I can say IB current is voltage across this 4.3 upon R 5.6 kilo into 10 raised to 3. Let it be like this, then I will get beta and substitute. Just copy this now. See, assume that BE is also register, nothing else. We're just taking voltage of 0.7. So your base current flowing will become IB is voltage upon resistance. I is V by R. Voltage is this much and resistance connected is given 5.6 kilo. I converted into only ohms. Copy this much. अभी इसको जो थोड़ा कर सकते हैं 7 6 42 7 8 56 so approximately 3/4 which is 0.75 into 10 raised to 3
-3.
-3, yes. So after this just complete this much, then I'm explaining further. So 18 equals to IC, which is beta times IB into 100 plus VCE. 18 equals to beta. Beta is given also 100. IB 0.75 into 10 raised to -3 into 100 plus VC we have to calculate. 100 is 10 raised to 4. So 18 equals to 10 raised to 4, 10 raised to -3 is 1 plus VCE. 18 minus 7.5 is VCE. This is 10.5, no? equals to VCE. So option A. Sorry, it was 8.6. This was 8.6. So 7 into 6, 42. IB equals to 4.3 upon 8.6 into 10 raised to 3. This is nothing but 2. So 0.5 into 10 raised to minus 3. Therefore, it will become 0.5 into 10 raised to minus 3. That means it will become 5, 5, so 13. 13 option C. Done, na?
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay. Sum number 40. In an NPN transistor circuit, the collector current is 10 milliampere. If 90% of electron reaches the collector current, 90% electron reaching collector reaches the collector, then emitter current and base current are given by what? This electron reaches the collector from where? From emitter it goes to base and then enters to collector, no? So that means collector current is 90% of emitter current because only 90% of electron are reaching. This then followed. 90% electron means current is due to 90% of electrons from the emitter. So IC is 10 milliampere. 10 upon 100 into IE. 1 0 you can cancel. So IE will be 100 upon 9. Therefore IE is 1.11. That you can take as 11 milliampere. And IB is IE minus IC. That is 11 minus 10 equal to 1 milliampere. Therefore option D. Completed 40?
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay. Now 37, 38, 39 because it is in sequence. A PNP transistor is used in common emitter mode as in an amplifier. The change of 40 microampere is in the base current. So change in base current is 40. This brings change of 2 milliampere in collector. 0.04 volt is base emitter voltage. Is 0.04 volt base emitter voltage. The input resistance will be how much? First part. Next part from 37, find base current amplification factor beta. Beta is delta IC upon delta IB, we can manage. Then if load resistance RL is 10 kilo ohm is used, find the voltage gain. Okay, chalo, one by one we'll do all. Input resistance is base emitter voltage upon base current. Our input is base current into base emitter voltage. So 0.04 upon 40 micro is 10 raised to minus 6. 4 into 10, 0.01. So this will be equals to 10 raised to minus 2 upon 10 raised to minus 6, 10 raised to 1, 10 raised to minus 5, 1000 ohm. That means 1 kilo ohm. Clear? First part, any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
Okay. 1 kilo ohm. That is option B. Then beta is IC 2 milliampere, IB 40 micro, 10 raised to minus 6. So this will become 2 into 10 raised to 3 upon 40. That is 2000 upon 40 equal to 50. Option C. Voltage gain is output voltage upon input voltage, which is beta times RL upon RI. If you recollect formula, beta you got 50, load resistance 10 kilo, that is 10 into 10 raised to 3. Input resistance we got as 1 kilo, 10 raised to 3. So 10 raised to 3, 10 raised to 3 cancel. Therefore, it is equals to load resistance 10 kilo. So 10 into 10 raised to 3, 1 kilo, 10 raised to 3, beta 50. Beta 50. Voltage gain of the amplifier. Input resistance 1 kilo. So 10 raised to 3. Load resistance given as कितना kilo? 6 किलो दिया ना मैंने 10 ले लिया. It is 6 kilo ohms. 6. So 300 is the answer. Okay. Just check if all you have followed properly. 37, 38, 39, all you have followed. All you have followed, just see properly. Yes, all you have followed properly.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Copy 3 sums properly.
Done, sir.
All the three over 37, 38, 39.
Yes, sir.
36th. Current amplification B in common emitter mode is 99. Is it alpha or beta? ऐसा कुछ लिखा नहीं है. What your common sense says? Is it alpha or beta? They have not given. What do you say? Alpha or beta it is?
Beta.
Alpha.
Beta. Alpha is always less than 1. Beta is always greater than 1. So this is beta, not alpha. Beta it is. The input base current is 20 microampere. Base current is 20 microampere. Then current through emitter IE will be how much? To get IE, I require alpha. Alpha is IC upon IE, correct? And beta is IC upon IB. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So 99 is IC upon 20. 1980 is IC. Now IE we want is IB plus IC. So 20 plus 1980, that is 2000 microampere. Fine. $36 done.
Yes, sir.
Phase difference between input and output voltage in common emitter. If you remember, theory we did 180 degree.
180 degree.
Correct. 34. When NPN transistor is used as an amplifier, NPN transistor, then this is emitter, this is base, this is collector. Electron will go from emitter to base and then to collector. So electron will move from where to where? Base to collector. Option A. Electron will move from base then to collector.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Answer.
33. Oscillator is device which will convert what? AC to DC. Na, I had already given you. No, sorry, DC to AC. A option.
DC to AC.
DC to AC, yes. 32 किया नहीं आपको. Zener diode is used for. समझा देता हूँ. Zener diode is used for voltage regulator. It is connected to regulate or to maintain voltage. Voltage should be kept constant.
Yes.
Where
Yes,
the voltage is same, series or parallel?
Parallel.
Parallel. So it is you connected in parallel and reverse biased mode. Zener diode. Working समझाता हूँ next lecture में. So it is connected in parallel and reverse biased. Parallel and reverse biased. बोर्ड में टॉपिक निकाल दिया है ये. तो parallel and reverse biased. देखो किधर है parallel और reverse biased. Parallel with load and in reverse biased. That means 2 and 3. 2 and 3 are correct. 2 and 3 option B. It is connected in parallel because parallel voltage is same. Reverse bias, that I will explain you in the theory part in the next class.
Answer.
31st, in general purpose diode, avalanche is more common than breakdown, than Zener breakdown, because the avalanche मतलब क्या होता है वो तो बता देता हूँ. ब्रेकडाउन मतलब कंट्रोल में है क्या नहीं है, कंट्रोल में
Not in control.
नॉट इन कंट्रोल, मतलब अपना ब्रेक डाउन हो गया, ब्रेक काम नहीं कर रहा है, मतलब कंट्रोल में नहीं. अगर कंट्रोल में नहीं है तो एक्सेसिव इलेक्ट्रॉन विल फ्लो.
Yes, sir.
So either covalent bonds will break, then it can flow, or somebody is removing that electron, then it will flow. Correct, na?
Yeah, sir.
Have you heard about this English word avalanche? Sometimes they say on snow-clad mountain there was avalanche effects. Over 10 soldiers they got buried in that.
Yes, sir.
What does it mean? एक लेयर स्लाइड हो गया, उसके ऊपर दूसरा, उसके ऊपर तीसरा, उसके ऊपर ऐसा आ गया तो हम लोग बोलते हैं एवलांच हो गया ना. हाँ, अभी एवलांच होते गया मतलब क्या, एक के ऊपर दूसरा, दूसरे के ऊपर तीसरा, ऐसा है ना. हेलो,
Yes.
that means different layer has slided na, this is the meaning. Okay, that is called avalanche effect. एक गया फिर दो गया तो चार गया, मतलब अगर आपने ऐसा देखा रहेगा ये दही अंडी, तो एक जन गिरता है तो नीचे वाला गिरता है, फिर नीचे वाला गिरता है, सब गिर जाते हैं ना ऐसा.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
सो एवलांच ब्रेकडाउन का मीनिंग बता देता हूं आपको पहले. एवलांच ब्रेकडाउन मींस one electron when is knocked out from covalent bond, from covalent bond एक इलेक्ट्रॉन को आपने नॉक किया, तो ये एक क्या करेगा, एक अकेला था पहला, अभी दो आ गया ना. नाउ two electrons will knock down two more. करेक्ट नो?
Yes, sir.
उसको एवलांच हो रहा है, मतलब ये इट इज एज गुड एज न्यूक्लियर रिएक्शन हो रहा है. एक से दो, दो से चार, चार से आठ, दिस वे. एंड Zener breakdown means rupturing of covalent bond. Okay, these two words clear? Avalanche means what? One knocks other becomes two, two knocks another two becomes four, four knocks another becomes eight, and so on. And covalent bond break हो गया तो Zener breakdown बोलते हैं. तो covalent bond will break when, जब ये हाई डोपिंग रहेगा तो उस बीच का रिपल्सिव फोर्स बढ़ेगा ना उनका.
Yes, sir.
ये लोग ने एवलांच बोला है तो इट शुड बी लाइटली डोप. सी ऑप्शन. डिटेल में थियरी में समझाने वाला हूं मैं आपको, लेकिन बोर्ड के लिए नहीं है वो. ड्यू टू रिड्यूस्ड सिलेबस दिस पार्ट इज डिलीटेड. रप्चरिंग मींस Zener, नॉकिंग इज एवलांच. रप्चर के लिए रिपल्सिव फोर्स बिटवीन इलेक्ट्रॉन इलेक्ट्रॉन ज्यादा हो गया, मतलब जब ज्यादा डोपिंग होएगा तो ही हो सकता है. 31 डन.
Yes, sir.
Okay. एक और लास्ट करता हूं, because theory if I explain then only you'll understand better. 30th, Zener breakdown is a semiconductor diode occurs when, Zener breakdown occurs when reverse biased voltage exceeds certain value, that is option B. So 29, a heavily doped diode exhibits high reverse saturation current, that is called Zener diode. 28, solar cell will convert light energy to electrical energy, option B. 27, solar panel consists of large solar cell connected in series and parallel combination, D. Many cells series parallel मतलब ज्यादा हो जाता है voltage as well as current. 26. For obtaining maximum power for solar cell, it should be operated in which characteristics? It should be operated in knee portion of E characteristics. What is that? I will explain. ये theory पहला 24 तक निपटा देता हूँ. In light emitting diode, light is emitted when actually electron goes from high level to low, वो आपस में energy radiate करता है. So recombination of electron hole pair at p-n junction. That is B. 24th. In the diagram, input across. Okay. ये full wave rectifier जैसा behave करेगा. C लिख दो, मैं बाद में समझाता हूँ आपको. How full wave rectifier. Today any possibility of extra lecture 10-15 वाला? क्योंकि आज फिर मैं वो extra 4 डायोड आपको समझा दूंगा. ये हो गया तो खत्म कर दूंगा लेक्चर. चलेगा 10-15 to 11?
Fine, sir.
Yes, sir.
Because 29 ना 31 के पहले मुझे ये चैप्टर खत्म करना है आपका with proper understanding. चलेगा ना कल? ये आज 29 evening?
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
yeah.
ठीक
Okay,
है.
sir.
Yes, yes. Bye. I'm just putting on the group. So that's all
Sir.
for today. Yes. Then.
In tomorrow's test, the Zener part will not be there, na?
नहीं टेस्ट में तो ये बोर्ड का टेस्ट नहीं है ना, वो एमसीक्यू है. तो आज इवनिंग
Yes.
करा दूंगा. That will be there.
Okay. Okay.
ठीक है. That's it. Bye.
Bye.
ठीक है. Bye. Patan, just we completed the lecture.